Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to edit our profile picture on LinkedIn. This is my profile interface and it is my profile picture. You have to click on your profile picture. I'm going to click on my, and you have to click on your picture. So here you will see these three options. Click on edit. By clicking the option, then you will see this type of window on your screen, and here you can see so many options to edit your picture. You can adjust its size by moving this option, and you can adjust its position from here, and you can add filters as well. Go to filters and apply your favorite one, and then go to adjust. Here you can adjust, and this is very detailed option, and here you can adjust its brightness by moving this button, and by clicking the contrast you can adjust its contrast. You can adjust saturation by moving this button, and you can make it vintage. It's all about your choice, and you can adjust and you can edit your profile picture by using these amazing options. And then once you're done with your profile picture, and then you have to click on save photo. Once you click on save photo, then you will see a little bit changes on your profile picture. So guys, this is how to edit profile picture on LinkedIn. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.